Okay, here's the other way, because you really want it to come together and keep a nice box shape. So you start making the bottom of the box now, and you rotate that around, and then you let this diagonal go, and that goes flat. Now right here, you start folding this diagonal, but this goes on top of that one. Let's see. And that goes on. So you keep this, it's a spiral. And you see how it's coming around looking like that top. Now this piece goes on top though. No. It goes right in there now. And what you can do is now you've got your bottom all how it goes. And this is easier to tuck in all the way. And now you can push that flap down. So I hope you got that part. If not, go back and rewind and look at both ways. Find out which way lets you get the bottom laying in where it looks just like the top did on the earlier videos. And now we've got the nice square. Came out great, actually. And hopefully it fits inside. Beautiful. So there's your box. I hope you were able to make that. I barely did making a video, folks. But I wanted to share it. And I hope you love it. I really like it. How about you? Take care. Wow, that fits great. That's one of the best ones, actually. So, if this gets a lot of views and likes and stuff, I've got a couple other designs I've made that are even cooler, and hopefully I'll get better at making the videos. Take care. Have a great day.